of Vlogmas. I hope you're excited because today we're going to finish up the hall decorations, and I also have a sofa cleaning guy that's coming to just like deep clean the sofa. I think my sofa needs that extra thing which I cannot do, so I'm super excited to see how they actually clean the couch. I found this one company called Kasi Clean on Instagram. I messaged them, and then it was basically just 60 ringgit to like do my 2-seater couch and that small leg pudding thing. So I'm so excited to see how that goes. He's going to arrive shortly. It is 8:30. I just had coffee. I am going to pray, and then we will pick it up again when he arrives. And I'm so excited, you guys, because the stains on the sofa, it's not actually major stains, it's more like watermarks, you know, sometimes when you keep a cup or something like that. I know it's fabric, and I'm telling you, fabric is so difficult to maintain, like so difficult. You can actually rip out the entire sofa cloth thing, but the sofa is from IKEA, so you can actually just remove it and wash it, but I have no clue. Even my husband has no clue how we should remove it. A friend of mine on Instagram said that we have to unscrew the bottom and then remove it, and I'm not about to do that because I'm worried that I will not be able to put it back correctly. So we're not gonna unscrew it, and we'll get the guys to come and clean the sofa. I'm super excited. We'll see how that goes, and I will catch up with you guys later. Guys, this is basically the sofa. The problem that I have is mainly the two armrests. I feel the two armrests, because sometimes like we keep drinks and stuff, right? Sometimes tersilap kena, as you can see, it's like slightly weird. So I'm hoping that they will be able to get the stains out, do a bit of like antibacterial wash and so on. So yes, couch cleaning day. Hi guys, okay, so it's been actually a few days after you saw the last clip. So what happened was, the plan was to, like after, okay, so the plan was the day that we actually like wash the sofa. That night my plan was to finish like the rest of the decorations, which means the carpet and all that stuff. But actually the sofa took longer than expected to dry. So that's why it's just a couple of days later. So it is very late, but I had work. It is 11:50, and we are going to finish up the hall, right?
No.
Yes.
I got work.
No, he's gonna help me change the cushion covers, and then take the carpet. Need to take the carpet from on top of the cupboard.
Are you serious?
Serious?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so today's plan, although it's like really late, like if I do not do this today, I will end up not doing it because I have no idea why. My November has been crazy packed. So yes, and also in 2 days it's my birthday, so you're basically seeing like a pre-recorded one. Okay guys, so today we're gonna finish up the hall. We're gonna put down the carpet, change the covers, and we'll see what we can do. Mainly I just want to focus on the hall for today and just do this. day 2 of Vlogmas, but as I mentioned earlier, because I'm filming this earlier, so the decorations have been staggered over a couple of days, and it's basically the next morning. So the last clip you saw me putting in the new sofa covers, not new, I actually washed them. Today we're going to finish up, the aim is to finish up all the decorations. I'm super excited. I got some stuff from Kaisen. I'll show you like really quickly, and then we'll get to doing the decorations, but I am so excited. A really quick Kaisen haul. So I got this bowl thing. This was 10 ringgit, and my plan is to, this is also from Kaisen, to drop these couple balls inside here and let this be like the coffee table decoration for this year. Then I got pillowcase, so pretty. Because the aim for the pillowcase this year is to do like black, gold and red. This is another pillowcase, but it looks very purple though, but it's fine. I also got 2 new pillows because my old ones are very funky. When I do it now, you will be able to see. So let's just, still have not had my morning coffee. Oh, I asked my husband to go down and get me some coffee because my milk is finished. Okay, so first up, I've got this beautiful red throw for the sofa. I will link it down below. I got it from Shopee, and I've got like new cushion covers. Black and gold, so Christmassy! Ah! So pretty! Don't judge my other 2 pillows though. It is in really bad condition. That's why I actually had to buy new ones. It's basically got no form. There is no form to this pillow at all. I don't know if you can see. It's like, yeah, but I'll tell you what, let's just transfer it. Oh, I actually wanted to get like all new pillows, but there was no stock. They only had that 3, so don't judge me, please. Have you heard the TikTok audio? Like, nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. This is the audio for that. Like, I'm a bit disappointed though. Let me show you. The plan was to do like gold, red, red, gold, black. I wanted these to be red, but these are coming off very purple in like real life. Where else in Kaisen it looked a lot more like burgundy red. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I want to change it or just let it be. I don't know. Let me know down if I should just let it be or I should actually change it to something. Yeah, look at this. This is so pretty. This is like red. Anyways.